Meeting my family. Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, I want to talk about something that always makes me happy, meeting my family. Family is one of the most important parts of our lives. We may be busy with work, school, and other responsibilities, but there is something special about spending time with the people we love. Sometimes, we don't see our family members for a long time. Everyone has their own busy schedule. Some live in different cities, and some even live in different countries. That's why a family meeting can feel very special. Recently, I had the chance to meet some of my family members. I was really excited because it had been a while since we had all spent time together. Before the meeting, everyone was busy getting ready. Someone was preparing food. Someone was cleaning the house. Someone was making phone calls to find out when everyone would arrive. There was a lot of activity, but there was also a lot of excitement. When the first family members arrived, everyone greeted each other with big smiles. There were hugs, handshakes, and lots of questions. How have you been? How is work? How are the children? How have things been? It felt wonderful to see familiar faces again. After everyone arrived, we sat together and started talking. At first, we talked about everyday things: work, school, travel, health, and plans for the future. But soon, the conversation became much more interesting. We started talking about old memories. Someone remembered a funny story from many years ago. Another person brought up a family trip. Then someone found some old photographs. That was when the real fun began. We looked at pictures of ourselves when we were younger. Some of the hairstyles were funny. Some of the clothes looked very old-fashioned. And some people had changed so much that we could hardly recognize them. Everyone laughed. It was amazing how one photograph could bring back so many memories. Of course, food was also an important part of the family gathering. There were many delicious dishes on the table. Everyone had something to share. Some dishes were homemade family favorites. Others were special foods that someone had prepared for the occasion. We sat around the table, ate together, and continued our conversations. I think food always makes family gatherings more enjoyable. People relax. They talk more. And sometimes the best conversations happen while everyone is eating. After the meal, we had tea and continued talking. The younger family members were busy playing and laughing. The older members shared stories about the past. I really enjoy listening to these stories because they help me understand my family's history. Sometimes we forget that our parents and grandparents had their own dreams, challenges, and adventures when they were young. Listening to them reminds us that every family has a story. Another wonderful thing about meeting family is catching up with people we don't see often. Life moves quickly. Someone may start a new job. Someone may move to another city. Children grow up. People get married. Families change. When we meet again, we realize how much has happened since our last gathering. We also talked about future plans. Maybe we can travel together. Maybe we can have another family gathering soon. Maybe we can celebrate a festival together. Making plans gives us something to look forward to. As the day continued, I realized how quickly time was passing. It seemed like we had just started talking, but suddenly it was evening. Some family members had to leave. Everyone said goodbye and promised to meet again soon. As I watched them leave, I felt very grateful. Family gatherings don't have to be perfect. There may be small disagreements. Someone may arrive late. The food may not turn out exactly as planned, but none of that really matters. What matters is being together. Sometimes, we get so busy with our daily lives that we forget to make time for our family. We think, I'll call them tomorrow. Or, we'll meet next month. But time passes very quickly. That's why I believe we should make an effort to stay connected. Call your parents. Visit your relatives. Send a message to someone you haven't spoken to for a long time. Even a short conversation can make someone feel loved and remembered. Meeting my family reminded me of something very simple. We don't need expensive trips or big celebrations to be happy. Sometimes, all we need is good food, interesting conversations, a few laughs, and the people we love sitting around the same table. Those simple moments often become our most valuable memories. So, if you haven't met your family for a while, maybe it's time to make a plan. Pick up the phone. Send a message. Invite them over. Or plan a simple family dinner. You may be surprised by how much happiness a small gathering can bring. Now I'd like to ask you a few questions. How often do you meet your family? Who do you enjoy spending time with the most? What do you usually do when your family gets together? What is your favorite family memory? And when was the last time you had a family gathering? Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's commentary. Remember to make time for your family, enjoy the simple moments, and create memories that you can look back on with a smile. Take care, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye.